Diabetes can be controlled with this advice. Diabetes often goes hand in hand with obesity and heart disease, and steps can be taken to prevent developing this illness. Other people develop diabetes as a result of another illness. Read the tips in this video to learn more about this disease, and how to live a normal life with diabetes. A great breakfast for a diabetic is oatmeal. Be selective, though. Don't buy the kind that comes in pouches and has tons of salt and sugar in it. Buy quick oats or regular rolled oats. Make it every morning for yourself. Top it with cinnamon and apples for a tasty meal. Apples are so good for you if you're diabetic. They give you something sweet to beat a sugar craving, and they're high in fiber, which will help you keep your weight down. They don't provide a large blood sugar spike after eating, so they can give you a ton of energy without causing you any health problems. Feel free to ask your doctor any question about diabetes you might have, from how it affects your bowel movements to if it can cause sexual dysfunction. Yes, it can. No question should be too embarrassing or uneducated for you to feel comfortable finding the answer to, as your doctor is there to help. It's okay to reuse lancets on your blood glucose monitor, or syringes when you inject yourself with insulin. As long as you're not sharing, then there is next to no real danger in reusing either, so change them when they begin to hurt you, or at least once a month. Enroll in a diabetes class or schedule meetings with a diabetes educator. Your physician is a good source of health information, too, but an educator is specifically trained to bring medical jargon down to your level. An educator or class can take a lot of the mystery out of your diabetes treatment plan, which is important in order for you to be active in your health care. If you have a family history of diabetes, prevention is very important. A great way to prevent diabetes is to increase your intake of fiber. Foods that are high in fiber include fruits, vegetables, beans, whole grains and nuts. Foods high in fiber increase your blood sugar controllability, which in turn reduces your chances of getting diabetes. Filling your plate up with foods high in fiber is an important way to prevent diabetes. Although diabetes calls for dietary restrictions and insulin injections, living with the disease does not have to negatively affect the quality of life. Remember the tips in this video if you or a loved one has been diagnosed with diabetes, or if you wish to prevent developing this disease. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.